back with another video, and today we're going to be opening up some Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars. So, first up is Hot Wheels, and I'm going to show the ones that I'm not opening, so let me get these out real quick. So these are the cars I'm not opening, so there's this one, and I got this one because it was actually an error car. The glass and the interior is down and touching the wheel. See over here, there's no glass in the window. Pretty cool. Next up is a McLaren P1. Really nice green, and green is my favorite color. So very cool on this. Really happy. And now we have another McLaren 720S. It's brand new. Pretty nice. And now let's move on to the ones we are opening. And I have another McLaren that we are going to open. And this one's actually broken, so that's pretty good. We're opening it. So no taillight detail, but there is headlight detail. And vent detail. It's a really nice one. I really like the color scheme on it. Here's the base. Alright. Next up is 71 Elcamino. Elcaminos are my favorite in green. Heck yes. And so let's open it. Since it's like Christmassy colors, I'm gonna turn it into a Christmas ornament since it's getting close to Christmas. Let me know if you want to see a video on this car being fully done and in a Christmas ornament. If you want, I mean, tell me if you want to see a video about it, and I'll post it and I'll show y'all. But yeah, see Elcamino. Oh, forgot to show you the base. Really shiny. No headlight or taillight detail. And last of the Hot Wheels is the Tesla Model X. It's a really nice one. No headlight detail. Yeah, we'll look into more detail when we open it. So only back detail, side tampo and logo. I think there might be a white interior, but it makes it look kind of like grayish brown because of the window tint. Really nice car. Now moving on to Matchbox, and I got some brand new Matchbox models for you. Brand new trailer trawler. I'm not gonna open these. I'm not gonna open the new Matchbox, the one with the new card art. Sadly, I'm sorry. Next up is a very cool Golf 10 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Long name. Really like it. Just taillight detail, but it's blacked out. So look at the card art. Alright, next up is the 2000 Nissan Xterra. Really like this car. Here's a card art. And only headlight detail. And the little Xterra logo and Nissan in the back. It's pretty cool. And last of the new Matchbox is this awesome 1955 GMC Scenic Cruiser. This is a really cool model. I've never seen it before. I'm not sure if this is new. Oh, it's 2 of 20. Oh, that's for the series. Here's the backs of them. Pretty cool. And here's the last one. This Matchbox Land Rover Defender. And lucky for you, I'm gonna open this one because I have a spare right here. Alright, so let me open this up real quick. Oh man. Well, it only ended up like paper, and so it did nothing to open it. Might take a while, sorry. Here we go. Interesting packaging here. It's cool, it comes with the original box. Move the trash out of the way. And then here's a really cool Land Rover. I've been waiting to open up all these cars so I can make a video about it for all my subscribers. So I really hope you're happy. It's cool rubber tires. You can see the tread. Here's the base. And this is like the newer one where the top is plastic, and that's really good that they did that. Lots of detail all around also. Only headlight detail. It's a really cool model. I like it. So moving on to our last few items is something different, just some Jada Just Trucks. We got the 1973 Ford Bronco in Army decals or Army livery. And I've already cut it, so we can just take it out and then slide it back in whenever we want, so it'll look like we still have it packaged. This is really cool. Blacked out rims, headlight detail, and no tail light, but we do have some emblems on the back. And this top does not come off, but it's really cool. Here's the base. So if you want to customize it, you don't have to deal with any rivets. You can just unscrew the screws, but this truck looks perfect just the way it is. Really cool truck. And my favorite is the 1999 Chevy Silverado Dually Chevrolet 100 years trucks. Really cool. And I also cut this one up so we can open it up. Silver rims. Stuff to the side. Really like the colors on this truck. The paint is amazing. Look at the sparkle. The silver almost has like cowboy colors. Dallas Cowboys, and there's a 100 years logo. No headlight or taillight detail, but I do see it has custom taillights. Some Silverado and Chevrolet logo on the back. The exhaust. Here's the base. Really cool truck. Really cool trucks and cars. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.